Hello dear students, welcome back again to the GK class of Standard 5. Students, as you know, your unit test 4 commence from 15th March. So first we will discuss the paper pattern and the syllabus for this test. So as you know, here I have already shared this paper style and syllabus. First is syllabus. There will be 4 lessons in this test. Lesson number 24, 25, 26 and 27. So 24 to 27 you have to prepare. Then here is the paper pattern, paper style. Question 1, match A with B from the lesson number 24. That is clearly written here. So you can prepare match A with B from the lesson number 24 and they are of 5 marks. Then question number 2, write the name of invention beside the inventor. That is also given. So study lesson number 25 for these questions. Then write the meaning of the constellation given below. These are given in lesson number 26. So you can prepare this type of question from the lesson number 26. Then write true or false. True or false can be asked from lesson number 27. So you have to go through with this lesson properly. So you can know which is true or which is false. Now proceeding further, 4 lessons in your unit test 4, 24 to 27. So first we revise lesson number 24. From this lesson, match A with B will be asked. As for example, you can write a machine that lifts and moves heavy objects. You can select the answer from the B side. Answer is crane. So here you can write crane. Then second one, a machine that separates the grain from the straw. So here answer is threshing machine. Then a bar or beam used to move heavy loads. Here answer is lever. In the same way, other questions are also given here. You have to match proper answer from the column B. A machine that works almost like a man is robot. Then a wheel over which a rope or chain passes to adjust is pulley. Same way you have to study match A with B from this lesson. So here is lesson number 25. Think different from this lesson. The question, write the name of the invention beside the inventor will be asked. You have to write the name of the invention beside the name of the inventor. Like question 1 here, Carl Benz. He is inventor and his invention is automobile. So you have to write automobile. Then Macmillan. Here you have to write bicycle. Alexander Fleming. His invention is penicillin. So you have to write penicillin. Then Salvino. His invention is spectacles. Then Berliner. His invention is microphone. In this way you have to study all the inventor and invention from this lesson. Then lesson number 26, name the constellation. From this lesson, the question is write the meaning of the constellation given below will be asked. You have to study this all the meaning of the constellation from this lesson, like Ursa Major, the big bear, Cygnus the swan, Orion the hunter, Carina the keel, Ursa Minor the little bear, like that Leo the lion, Taurus the bull, Aquila the eagle, and like this Canis Minor the small dog, Eridanus the river. So student, in lesson number 27, take a spacewalk from this lesson. True or false will be asked. So you have to go through with this lesson in detail and here you have to answer the question in true or false, like it is the study of space. The question will be asked like that: astronomy is the study of space, true or false? So you have to write true. Earth is one of the planet, then it is true. If it is written Earth is one of the satellite, then it is false. Then it is a vehicle traveling in outer space. So here question will be asked like that: spacecraft is a vehicle traveling in outer space. So is it true or false? So you have to write true. And then animal, plants and human being live on the earth. This is also true. And then satellite is a smaller body revolving around a planet. So this is also true. In this way you have to read this lesson. So student, in short, we have revised this lesson number 24 to 27 so that you can get the idea of the question paper of unit test 4. That's all for this session. Thank you.